and welcome back to the hands-on segment of the CP Republic. And natulad sinabi namin kanina sa news segment namin, review namin ngayon ang isa sa mga pinakabagong telepono ng Star Mobile, ang Star Mobile Night Lux.
As you can see, dalawa yung Night Lux namin, isa kay Reggie, isa sa akin.
Yep. Pinag-usapan natin to before.
Oo, and isa yung tumugma na yung isang word sa ating dalawa, which is maganda.
Maganda, yes.
The Night Lux is really beautiful, it's elegant, and it's very premium yung dating niya.
So, tingnan na, buksan natin yung
Ito ba akin? Ito ba akin?
Ito
ba akin?
Alright, so napapansin nyo na bright ang screen. We both have the white variants, pero meron din silang gray, which is actually pogi.
Pogi nga yun.
Pero kahit itong white, pwede
ganda
naman hindi naman siya mukhang pababae, no?
Oo. Ang ganda niya. Paulit-ulit ako, ang ganda niya.
May slight gold accent siya. It's actually not gold eh. Pero parang ganoon na rin, light gold. And then yung back cover niya, hindi siya
basta-basta
metal, it's actually made of plastic.
Oh, pero meron siyang texture. So if mapapansin niyo, parang nakikita niyo na parang may cross something. It's actually a textured plastic back and it's removable. So akala mo parang bakal siya, ganun yung looks niya, bakal siya pag tinignan with parang konting textured. Well, it's different. It's plastic. However, maganda yung feel niya and sobrang sa texture niya, napaka-premium yung dating niya.
Yeah, so this is not the usual back cover that you see in other smartphones, especially for its price range.
Right.
I'm not sure though kung paano yung magiging itsura sa gray version.
Mm-hmm.
But basically this is how it looks like sa white version ng Night Lux. Before we continue, let's mention yung specs ng Night Lux.
Well, it has a 1.4 GHz MT6592 octa-core processor with Mali 450 MP4 GPU. There's a 1280 by 720 which is an HD display. Kaya maganda yung display niya kasi AMOLED display ang Star Mobile Night Lux.
And yung AMOLED display is actually usually seen in Samsung smartphones. And bihira natin ito makita sa mga local brands.
Yes,
actually, one of the last local brands na nakita ko using this was Cherry Mobile.
Cosmos X2 pa yata.
Yeah, Cosmos X2 pa. That's why I really love the phone because it was using the AMOLED, and the Night Lux became an instant favorite of mine because it's using AMOLED screen. Okay. Anyway, so display niya is 1280 by 720 pixels resolution.
HSPA+.
HSPA+
Wi-Fi,
connection niya.
Bluetooth. There's a 16 gigs of internal storage. And if nakukulangan kayo doon, it is expandable up to 32 gig. And there's 2 gigs of RAM.
And these are the things that you wouldn't see in this price range.
Right.
Mamaya natin mention yung price. No?
Isa pang interesting dito sa smartphone na to is meron siyang 13 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL camera. ISOCELL, which is also used sa mga Samsung Galaxy S5 and some Note 4. There's a 5 megapixel din na front camera and dual SIM din siya with 2050 mAh of battery. Akala nyo hindi siya removable kasi normally mga gantong smartphone sa mga ganda na removable battery. Well guys, removable po ang back ni Star Mobile Night Lux. So yan, medyo wala akong kuko so medyo mahirap. Sakit.
Okay, wala akong kuko din. Okay, wala akong kuko. Yan, there you go. Yan.
Ayan. So, yan, nakikita nyo kay Reggie na lang. Nahirapan na ako, sakit ng...
So, yan ang and this one, it's plastic, pero I'm gonna try to bend this, okay? I'm gonna try to bend the back cover and
super bendable yan, no? Flexible.
Yeah, siya. It's flexible. Yes, it can bend, but I can feel the tension. No, so ibig sabihin matibay.
May limits din. Pero
matibay to.
Oh, matibay.
Matibay pa rin to. I don't think this will easily break.
Oo.
No, so when it comes to, we're just discussing the quality of the physical appearance. And speaking of the physical appearance, the quality of the physical appearance, this frame that you see here, okay, this frame, it's actually made of aluminum. Our friends from Star Mobile mentioned this to us, na hindi siya basta-basta frame lang. This is made of aluminum frame.
And yung
And-
feel niya, tingnan mo, grabe yung looks niya. Tingnan mo, may glossy siya. Glossy yung, ano niya, chamfered edges. Sobrang ganda ng feel niya. Sobrang premium ng tingin niya.
Yeah, sobrang premium, matibay, pero magaan.
Magaan, yes.
Yeah, so,
And ang ganda tignan, grabe.
you combine this with the AMOLED display screen pa, di ba? So,
Tapos, there's no capacitive buttons. Lahat siya on-screen button.
on-screen buttons, exactly.
Yan, no, on-screen button siya.
Yes, yeah, see? There, right?
Mhm.
So, that's why this one became an instant looker for me, no? I really like it.
Panalo sa akin yung design. When it comes to design, this is one of the best parang local branded smartphones when it comes to design.
Yeah. So software side naman, this is powered by the octa-core processor, okay? And according to the Antutu specs that we've tested, here I've already taken a screenshot. Mine, I got 29,055. Okay, so for a processor na may a 6592 na octa-core processor, this is actually not bad, and this is the usual results that you would get. Kahit na ganito na yung score, and we see higher scores like 40,000, 50,000. This is not bad, and it will do well. It will do well
Actually,
kahit
most games naman,
kahit maraming apps kang bukas, and kahit yung mga
high-end,
yung mga high graphic games will still play well, will still perform well, and balanced along with the other apps that are open because meron itong 2 gig of RAM pa. So we all know we've been discussing octa-core processors for forever. So we all know that how well the processor can handle the apps, the
Yes.
open apps.
Can handle mostly.
Whether maliit yung app mo or whether malaki yung malaki yung app mo.
So walang problema din sa Nightlux when it comes to performance. It's really good.
Yeah, so it's you can see it's really smooth, very very silky smooth na.
Although maraming
UI.
may mga Star Mobile pa rin na apps na hindi ko masyadong gagamitin.
Same, to be honest, similar. I don't think I will be able to use it. But it's a welcome change that, that they've added yung mga docs, yung mga, what are these?
Meron silang health app.
Sheets? Are these Google?
No, Google sila.
Oh, okay. So, it's already built in. No?
Ito yung maganda sa kanila. Meron silang built-in pedometer, heart rate sensor.
Oh, they do?
Yes, even yung low-end na Star Mobile smartphones, meron ng health app. So, medyo interesting. And nakakahabol sila sa high-end phones na merong health app na gusto ng health.
Ako naman, mayroon ko i-share. Actually, nalaman ko lang to during our filming sa Pop Talk. Okay, we mentioned sa news segment kanina, we discussed the Star Mobile Nightlux. We reviewed the Star Mobile Nightlux along with 2 other phones, okay? And during our session, our filming, tinuro sa amin ni Elijah. Elijah is the product marketing manager of Star Mobile, our very good friend. Okay, meron to mga additional features na wow, useful. Okay, I really find it useful. Okay, what I mean by useful? This one, float dial. Ato, useful sa akin to, Jam. You know why? Because I always dial, I always look for companies' numbers or people's numbers, and I search them through Google or through any other website or Facebook. But yes, I can multitask. Pero yun, nakakalito na pupunta ako sa isang website, then pupunta ako sa dialing pad. Pupunta ako sa kabilang website. Mapamali-mali ka. Right. But since you have a floating dial, you can dial while you're looking at the phone number you're copying, and then you can simply make the call. Okay? Now, kung dual SIM naman to, we mentioned that this is dual SIM, of course, it will ask you which SIM that you're going to use. So, this is a very nifty feature ng Star Mobile. So, let's discuss naman multimedia. Multimedia, no doubtedly, it can play videos.
Even 1080p, walang problema.
Yeah, even 1080p. Jam would demo the games. So, naglaro siya ng games.
So, actually, ito. Naglalaro nga ako kanina. So, we have here the Asphalt 8. And we all know that Asphalt 8, nag-a-adjust siya depende dun sa hardware ng smartphone mo. And since we're using an octa-core processor smartphone, nakikita niyo naman maganda yung graphics. And yes, the game is very smooth, very playable. Wala akong nakitang glitches and bugs nung nilalaro ko siya. Yan, so nakikita nyo naman maganda yung colors niya, maganda yung lighting, maganda yung shadows. Everything has been pretty cool on the Star Mobile Night Lux. Again, this one has a 2 gigs of RAM. So, Reg, wala naman tayo nagiging problema sa even multitask kasi doon sinabi kanina ni Reg.
No, we've well, at least in my case, I had I had this phone for 2 weeks. Nag-hard reset na kasi ako, hindi na ako naka-install ng games ulit. But I installed Modern Combat 5, one of my favorite games, and hindi naman siya nag-hang, no?
And wala naman nagiging problema. Well, kita nyo naman dito sa Asphalt 8, sobrang smooth niya. And kahit ano pang yan, dito medyo naglalag sa area na to dahil maraming objects and animations. Pero so far, the Star Mobile Night Lux was able to play this game smoothly and walang problema.
Yeah, so as expected actually.
As expected. Actually, ito talaga yung ganito yung normally sa mga smartphones may 2 gigs of RAM with an octa-core processor.
Yeah.
Normally ganito yung yung nangyayari sa kanya.
Okay, let's go on to the camera section of the of the Night Lux, and we mentioned the main camera of the Night Lux uses a 30 megapixel Samsung with the Samsung ISOCELL sensor, no? Yung sa ISOCELL it helps us take photos during low level light conditions. And kagabi nagkataon na was driving along Binondo, Tondo, no. So Rojas Boulevard na rin. So I took some sample shots, no, using the Star Mobile Night Lux. Hindi ako masyadong nakakalabas late yung paggabi. Natutulog na ako kaagad, lolo na ako eh. So here in the gallery, let's check first the food shots that I've taken. Okay, let's go here. Let's go for the food shots. Okay, so yeah. So this was taken indoors, and you can see the clarity. Yeah, you can see the clarity of the image.
So, kita nyo naman na ang ganda ng kulay niya and okay naman yung kinalabasan niya.
Yeah, so
parang medyo yellowish or sadya dahil sa light.
Well, maybe it's because of the lighting so naapektuhan din niya yung image. Then another photo here. Yeah, this one lumilitaw yung green ng pandan leaves, and including the chili sauce. Actually, this was on HDR pa pala. Oh no. Sorry, this is not an HDR. Sorry. Anyway, another photo. This was taken in Makati Avenue. This one, no light. Wala siyang sorry, wala siyang HDR. Wala siyang HDR. But if I'm going to move this,
ang laki ng difference. Ang laki ng difference. Iba yung HDR nito. Maganda yung pagkakaano ng HDR.
So the effect of the ISOCELL sensor is,
malaki yung
we can see the difference. Okay, we can see the difference of the how the ISOCELL sensor works.
Mas makita mo yung contrast niya, mas maganda yung contrasting
niya. Right, it looks sharper.
Sharper images din.
Right, it looks sharper even during nighttime.
Ganda.
Another this one is not on HDR.
Ang ganda
And this one is on HDR.
Ganda nung nyo.
Yeah. So this was taken in Binondo. Excuse me. Well, I couldn't take the Binondo Church properly, San Lorenzo Ruiz ba? Tama ba?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, parang ganun, San Lorenzo Ruiz. This one was not taken with HDR, but this one was taken with HDR.
Medyo blurry, pero
medyo
kita mo yung
blurry
difference
because
sa color.
mahirap na slob ako ng kotse, baka biglang mag-go. So,
and pero kita mo yung difference ng color.
But I'm pretty sure it will it will show up very nice.
Pati napansin ko parang mas maliwanag yung mga shots mo sa ISOCELL camera.
Right.
Kita mo to, sa ibang smartphones hindi kaya yung ganyang kaliwanag ng lights.
Ganun, di ba?
Ang ganda, maganda siya honestly for Night Lux. Maganda yung camera performance niya.
Yeah. So those are just we didn't bother taking mga daylight photos because you all know na
Yeah.
but this is this is what we want to feature. If you want to see the daylight photos, watch us on Pop Talk. Sorry, Segda naman.
When it comes to naman sa ISOCELL camera, talagang ginawa sila for low light.
Yeah, for low light.
Maganda talaga yung low light performance ng ISOCELL camera. So I'm not surprised na maganda yung camera performance ng Star Mobile Night Lux.
Actually, meron pang mga tricks ng camera ha. Ito yung natutunan ko rin during the filming sa Star Mobile. Okay. Meron mga tricks. Okay, so the camera has this one. So meron siyang sensor. I forgot what Elijah told me about this.
Sa accelerometer siya
Yeah, so it tells you how to balance. So yan, so yan.
So kita niyo parang yun, no? Meron
It tells you how to balance yung kung properly balance yung image na kinukuhanan mo. No. So it has that, but you can turn it off if you want to. Okay. But ang okay dito pare, ito yung if you want yung mga trick shots, you want to have like 4 people of you. Kunyari, we want to see 4 Jam Anchetas in the same picture. We can do it here with the Star Mobile Night Lux, and you can do that by selecting multi-angle view mode.
So basically, what does it do?
Okay, so example to ha. I'm going to take a picture. Jam, this is what we're going to do. I want you to do this.
Okay.
I want you to do this, then tapos slowly move. Ganito.
Okay, so gaganan.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay, so dito ka. Wait lang.
Yeah.
I will guide you. Okay. Focus ko lang. When I say go. Ay. Sige. Okay. Then we see the,
It's built in,
mukhang ayaw. Ulitin natin.
So, isa pa.
Okay.
Try natin isang object na malaki na.
Huwag masyado malapit. Layo mo pa. Kaliwa. Okay, ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Sige. Sige pa. Okay, I couldn't make it work. Ay, ganito. Okay, it's not supposed to be that way. Pero para yung dapat kinalabasan nito, but we'll see sa Pop Talk eh.
Pop Talk na lang.
Yeah. You're supposed to see 4 images of this. In different I couldn't make it work. I don't know how. Pero it was really cool. So 4 na object pero in the same
photo.
Oh. So kunyari nakikita mo may sa unang image ni Jam, tatakbo, second image niya biglang naglakad.
Then tumatalon.
Yes.
So parang maraming jam sa isang photo.
Yes, parang maraming jam sa isang photo. That's it comes with the
Kala ko parang normal camera flash siya, hindi pala.
It's a built-in
built-in
feature.
siya.
Yeah, it's a built-in feature.
Nice.
Galing nga ng Star Mobile eh.
Yung battery life, Reg, kamusta yung battery?
Okay, battery life,
Sa akin medyo parang medyo nakukulangan ako, honestly.
Kulang eh.
Nakukulangan ako.
Kasi when it was, when we were in the press con, 2,000 something lang yung milliamperes.
2050?
And 2050 and parang, shit. Mabubuhay ba ako nito?
Pero removable siya, pero hindi rin eh.
It's removable, yes, it's removable, pero if you're always on data, you're heavy on data, then you have to bring a power bank.
Yes.
Yeah. It wouldn't last a day.
Probably it wouldn't.
Siguro if hindi ka malakas sa data, Wi-Fi ka lang, yeah, it would last you a day probably, but not for me.
Akin din.
Power user ako eh. Pero for the ordinary users, if
siguro
you're
kasya naman.
Just gonna play games, once in a while, mag-Clash of Clans ka, manonood ka ng YouTube videos once in a while, and then you use it for phone calls. Normally hindi ganun kalaki, hindi na ganun kabigat. Yeah, kaya naman. Kaya naman na 8 hours siguro.
May mga hindi pala ako na-mention kanina app. So, unahin ko yung gesture. So, sa gesture, pwede ako magdagdag na sarili kong gesture. So, meron akong gesture na isa yung for messaging by drawing an envelope, while the other one is Play Store by drawing the Play app at the Play logo. So, basically, ganito yung gagawin ko. So, dito sa Star Mobile Night Lux, meron siyang parang itong may button dito. Pinindutin ko yan and then please draw a gesture. So drawing ko yung envelope then automatically it will open messaging.
Oh,
So,
galing.
pwede ako magawa na sarili
Okay,
kong
this is what I
gestures.
did. Kasi we also tackled this during our taping sa Pop Talk. But we didn't know, I didn't know na pwede yung drawing.
Yes, pwede
Kasi ang
drawing.
akala ko letters lang or one straight line. But I didn't know that you can do
Actually, pwedeng kahit kahit ganyan-ganyan pa yung gawin nyo. Pwede siya. Or sarili nyo, sabihin natin perma nyo, gusto mong ganyan, perma. Pwede siya. Makakapagbukas siya ng mga different applications sa isang gesture
Cool.
lang. Sobrang galing, sobrang ganda ng built-in feature. Isa pa, sa mga maraming stalker and maraming fans, meron silang
Ay, oo.
firewall.
Ay,
Alright, so pwede kang magdagdag ng blocklist na bablock na SMS and block call if gusto nyo. If ayaw nyo matawagan
that's my
kayo.
favorite feature.
That's my favorite feature lalo
One
na
of
sa
my
mga
favorite
spammers.
features for how many years?
Actually, lahat yata tayo gusto
How many
natin ng ganun
years?
eh.
Yeah.
So, yun yung mga favorite apps ko na included dito sa Star Mobile Night Locks.
Alright, so yan ang review namin sa Star Mobile Night Locks. The Star Mobile Night Locks is priced at 7,690 pesos. You see, it's only 7,690
Mura siya.
pesos.
Actually, mura na siya
Hindi
para
siya,
sa
no?
body niya and
Yeah.
sa features niya. Kasi sabihin ng iba, octa-core meron niya sa 4,000 pesos. Guys, you're looking at a smartphone with a premium
really
one.
a bloody nice phone.
It's a nice phone.
Alam mo yung isang friend ko, because I posted this, napabili siya.
Ang ganda kasi, di ba?
Naghanap siya ng gray, kaso sa bahay nila, sa Dasmariñas, Cavite, wala raw gray. Napilitan na siya bumili ng white, but he's still very happy. Tuwag-tuwa siya. Akala ko hindi siya bumili nung chat kami, yung pala nakabili na siya.
Nakabili na siya.
At puyat siya dahil kinakalikot niya yung telepono since nung gabi. 5 a.m. nag-chat pa rin kami. Grabe, addict.
Na-addict na siya.
Na-addict
It's a
na
really
like
nice
that.
phone, guys.
Really nice
97690. It's
I guess Star Mobile wasn't really lying when they say na this is one of their best sellers nowadays. I wouldn't be surprised.
This is really good.
It's really good phone. Mga mare, if you want mid-range priced phone, when I say mid-range sa CCP Republic, that means mga above 5,000 pesos. Gusto niyo lang pamporma, gusto niyo pero with performance, ay nako,
Maganda. Performance and camera.
dito na kayo sa Night Locks, hindi kayo mapapahiya.
Yes.
Hindi kayo mapapahiya yan. Yan. So, dyan nagtatapos ang review segment ng The CP Republic. Wala na tayong closing. Wala tayong closing. Because nagmamadali si Jam, may pasok siya sa 2 p.m. class niya na hindi ko alam kung anong klase man yun. Baka
Papasok ako.
feeling namin nag-joke time lang siya, feeling namin ghost class yun. Hanggang sa muli, for sure may next episode kami next week na recording. So,
Hopefully the Xiaomi Mi 4i.
yeah, Xiaomi Mi 4i. So, don't forget to subscribe, DR on the Go. DR on the Go tuloy. YouTube.com/the DR Networks. Like us on Facebook.com/the CP Republic. Follow us on Twitter at the CP Republic. Yeah, so hanggang sa next episode, ako po si DR.
And ako po si Jam.
And mga CP Republic fans, kita-kita tayo next week. Paalam!
Ciao.